In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can earn as much as $300 every day just by using your smartphone. First app, Silencio. The first app I want to share is Silencio Network. This app lets you start mining noise coins with your smartphone. You can download it from the Google Play Store or the Android App Store. The idea is simple. The app uses your smartphone's microphone to track noise levels in your surroundings. You get rewarded with noise coins for recording and analyzing noise pollution. You can earn up to $300 a day by staying active and checking into venues on the app. For each minute you track noise, you earn 1 noise coin, which adds up. Plus, there's a bonus system that boosts your earnings. The noise token will also be launching soon, so you can accumulate tokens now and cash them out later. You can visit them on Twitter. The name of their account is Silencio, with more than 30 million followers. Here, you can see different posts about the platform. They also have their team who built this platform. On their page, they post updates. So check their Twitter account for you to check its legitimacy and explore more about the benefits you can get from using this platform. Second app, Toloka AI. Next up is Toloka AI, a freelancing platform with its own app. Through this app, you can complete simple tasks such as surveys or data entry, jobs, right from your phone. You get paid for finishing these tasks, and you can work on them whenever it's convenient for you. Toloka AI is a crowdsourcing platform developed by Yandex, a leading technology company known for its search engine and various online services. Toloka is designed to harness the collective intelligence of a global community to train, validate, and improve machine learning models. It works by distributing microtasks that help companies and researchers gather labeled data, which is essential for training AI algorithms. Anyone can sign up as a contributor and start completing tasks through the web platform or mobile app. This makes it accessible for people looking to earn extra income by working on small, manageable tasks that can be done anywhere with an internet connection. Third app, Giner R8. The third app is Giner R8. It enables you to earn money by sharing your data. As you use the app, it connects with your browser, and you accumulate points by letting third parties access your data. This provides a passive way to earn money from the data you're already sharing while surfing the web. Giner R8 is an innovative platform that allows users to take control of their online data and turn it into income. The platform offers a browser extension and a mobile app that help users earn rewards by managing how their personal data is used while browsing the web. Here are the key features of this platform. First is ad control. The browser extension can replace traditional ads with Giner R8 ads that are customized for users. This feature helps users maintain control over what kind of advertising content they see. Next is the rewards marketplace, where users can exchange the points they accumulate for rewards such as tech gadgets, gift cards, and other products in the Giner R8. Lastly, secure data handling. Giner R8. It emphasizes user privacy and security by anonymizing data before sharing it with third parties. The amount earned depends on the type of cryptocurrency staked, its market conditions, and the staking rate offered by MyContainer. Users receive rewards based on their token holdings and the duration of their staking. This can be an attractive option for those who prefer passive earning strategies over active trading. Fourth app, MyContainer. The fourth app is MyContainer, which lets you stake cryptocurrency and earn rewards. If you're interested in crypto, this app makes it easier to stake and generate passive income through crypto trading, cashback, and airdrops. It's an excellent option for beginners who want to dive into crypto without getting bogged down by the complexities of decentralized finance. MyContainer is a platform designed to simplify earning rewards through cryptocurrency staking and related services. These are the features of MyContainer. First is staking services. Users can choose from various cryptocurrencies available on the platform for staking. MyContainer handles the technical aspects, making it easy to stake without needing to set up your own node. Second is cashback and airdrops. Besides staking, My Container offers cashback incentives and participates in airdrop events, allowing users to earn extra tokens for free or as part of promotional events. Thirdly, user-friendly interface. The platform is designed to make crypto staking direct to the point, with simple onboarding for new users. Lastly, diversified options. My Container supports multiple types of cryptocurrencies, allowing users to build a diversified portfolio that can earn rewards from different blockchain networks. Fifth app, Nodle. Lastly, there's Nodle, a digital trust network that lets you earn passive income by enabling your phone to process small amounts of data. This data helps connect to IoT devices such as smart light bulbs or scooters. Every time you interact with these devices, you earn Nodle Cash, which can be converted into cryptocurrency. It's a simple way to make money while going about your daily routine. So, Nodle is a decentralized network designed to provide connectivity and data transfer for the Internet of Things, IoT. It uses the Bluetooth capability of smartphones to create a network that connects various IoT devices, such as smart home gadgets, sensors, and asset trackers. Nodle emphasizes secure data transfer and user privacy. The network encrypts data during transmission, and personal information is not shared without user consent. The company focuses on protecting user identity while still allowing devices to connect and transmit data. Nodle operates through a concept known as crowdsourced connectivity. Users download the Nodle Cash app or other apps integrated with the Nodle SDK on their smartphones. As they move about in their daily activities, their phones act as nodes that detect and connect with nearby IoT devices via Bluetooth Low Energy, BLE. These connections facilitate the transfer of small data packets, which might include location tracking or status updates from IoT devices. So in today's video, I showed you how you can make up to $300 every single day using your smartphone. The phone you're holding in your hand can potentially earn you money with the right apps. And these are a few mobile applications that allow you to make as much as $300 a day, so you can start earning yourself. With the current state of the economy, we all need to find ways to make more money, right? And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think about these apps? Have you tried any of them, or are you planning to? Let me know in the comments below, and feel free to share your experiences or questions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Profitability Plus, and click the notification bell so you don't miss anything. And for our future content, what if you can make a realistic plan to start making money online with $0 in 2025? Stay tuned for more. I'll see you in the next one.